Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to force reset your iPhone XR. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. Hold the lock button until you see the Apple logo. Once you see the logo, you can let go. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment down below if this has helped you out. Let go. And there you guys go, your phone has been force resetted.